Hello my dear students, today I am going to discuss a Doppler based question from JMINS 2021. A car is moving towards a stationary wall making horn of frequency 400 Hz. The reflected frequency heard by driver of car is 500 Hz and find the speed of car. See guys, this question seems to be easy, but it is little tricky one because in this question they are telling like the reflected frequency heard by driver of car means the source itself is a listener here. So this question is going to be done in two steps. In first step, source is producing waves and the wall is receiving it, which is acting like a listener. In the second case, your listener will behave like source because this will reflect back the waves to the source. So the question, case 1, when the source is coming towards listener and listener is stationary, let us put the formula FL V plus VL is equal to Fs upon V plus Vs. Frequency received by the listener means wall FL that we have to figure out. V is the speed of sound, no convention to it, and VL is the speed of listener. Your wall is stationary, so put 0 here. Fs frequency of the source, that is 400 given in the question, divided by V plus Vs. Vs means the speed of source and it is coming towards the listener, so you have to use the sign convention minus Vs. So FL is going to be 400 into V divided by V minus Vs. Now as I told you, in the second case, case 2, your wall will reflect back waves to the source. Your wall will become now a source, okay? So this is the source and it is reflecting back the frequency with this value. This will be the source frequency. This will be the source frequency 400 V divided by V minus Vs, and your source in the first case will become a listener. Okay. Now let us put the formula FL upon V plus VL is equal to Fs upon V plus Vs. As per the question, the source car was coming towards the listener. Means in this second case, we can now treating your car as a listener. Listener is coming towards the source. As per the sign convention, the speed of the listener will be taken as positive because it is now approaching towards the source. So let us put the values frequency received by the listener. Your car is now a listener. So we have to take it value 500 because in the question they have given reflected frequency heard by the driver of car is 500 V, and your listener is now your car driver, so the speed we have to calculate, and now your car is coming towards the source, so we are going to take it as positive Vs. Frequency given by the source, which is a wall now, and the value is this 400 V upon V minus Vs. Here V, this value V plus sources. Now your source is your wall and wall is stationary, so put the value 0 here. So these zeros will be cut. This V and V will be cut, cross multiply. This is going to be 5V minus 5Vs is equal to V plus Vs. Okay, now 4V. Okay, we have to cross multiply 4V and 4Vs. Okay, so 4V, 5V minus 4V, let's solve this. This is 9Vs, and now speed of the car is going to be V upon 9. So this is the speed of source. Thank you.